E0038. HanjaBible. To finish. Third tone. English, verb, to finish, to complete, to understand. This character shows a stroke bending low and folding, met by a hook that rises up like a period, marking completion. This character carries the third tone.
liǎo.
What does this character conceal? First a stroke bends low and folds, and then a hook rises up like a period, sealing completion. Together these two strokes form 0038. To finish. This character resembles the completion of the cross of Jesus Christ, who declared, "It is finished," and the perfect salvation of God. When he had received the drink, Jesus said, "It is finished." With that, he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. To finish is the character of salvation completed, rising from a place bent low and folded into completion. John, chapter 19, verse 30. When he had received the drink, Jesus said, "It is finished." With that, he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. Why the third tone? In Mandarin, the third tone dips down and rises back up. The rhythm of bending low and folding, then rising again to seal completion, is carried in this third tone. When used as a grammatical particle marking completion, it is read lightly, in the neutral tone.
liǎo.
Complete. Fully finished. This declaration, "It is finished," is carried within the word complete itself.
完了。
Understand. To grasp and realize. Only at completion can one fully understand.
了解。
End. To come to a close. To have ended is also a declaration that it has been finished.
终了。
Rising from a place bent low and folded into completion, forming 0038. When he had received the drink, Jesus said, "It is finished." With that, he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. This single character, to finish, carries two strokes, one bending low, the other rising to seal the completed salvation. Join HanjaBible and keep discovering God's fingerprints hidden in Chinese characters. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this word with the world.